Here's what you can do if your landlord refuses to fix mold, heat-related issues, or water-based damage, based on my experiences as a lawyer who's done housing law cases. Now, the first thing is make sure that you put all of your communications with your landlord into writing. It's always better to send an email or a text that describes the problem clearly, explains when it started, and asks for a repair. This is called a written notice, which can be important down the line. Now, when you're asking your landlord to make those repairs, make sure you put a reasonable deadline by which you expect the landlord to have completed the repairs. This is important because courts care a lot about whether or not you gave the landlord a fair chance to fix the issue before you escalate. A typical range for no heat or no water is 24 to 72 hours. For some other serious repairs, up to 2 weeks is considered reasonable. Second, make sure that you document everything. This means photos and videos, ideally date stamped. For example, if it's a heat issue, take a picture of the thermostat. If it's a water leak, take a video of the leak. If it's mold, show the spread and the growth over time. It's best to document every single day that the issue isn't fixed. If your landlord still ignores you after you do all of this, you might be able to escalate the situation. Depending on your state, you might be able to call a city health department and get an official inspection record. You might also be able to break the lease without a penalty or sue for rent reduction or damages. You can also withhold rent in several circumstances, but make sure that you consult an attorney before doing that. Because in many states, if you withhold rent before following a specific process, you can get in a lot of trouble. Now, the bottom line is this: keep a paper trail and escalate only if what you've already done doesn't work. As always, feel free to DM me with any questions that you have, and make sure to follow for more explainers.